There is nothing like fresh microgreens to freshen up a salad or a taco on a cold winter day. But traditional methods of growing greens with grow lights, messy starter mixes, and expensive seeds can become tedious. But all of that is not necessary. All you need is a bag of dried peas from your grocery store, a suitable container, some water, and some sunlight to grow delicious, nutritious pea shoots. Hello, this is Stephen from shortseasongarden.com, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3 in Eastern Canada. So give my video a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, check me out on social media on Facebook or Instagram at Short Season Garden, or you can go to my website at www.shortseasongarden.com. Pea shoots, like any microgreens, can be planted in potting mix using seeds purchased from your favorite online seed company. You will end up with some delicious, nutritious pea shoots, but the costs can be high. And the potting mix is messy. A small packet of seeds can go a long way when spread out thinly in a garden row. But it doesn't go very far when used as microgreens. I'm going to show you a much less expensive method that will give you greater quantities of pea shoots without using messy potting mixes. Go to your local supermarket and buy a package of dried whole peas. Make sure the peas are whole, not split. You will need a shallow container with lots of holes in the bottom to hold the peas, and another container underneath to hold the water. Spread the dry peas out on your top container to see how many you will need, keeping in mind that the peas will swell when they get wet. I used a half a cup of peas for my container. Rinse the peas well to get rid of any particles of dirt. Then set them to soak for at least 10 hours. Pour the soaked peas into your container, carefully spreading them out into a single layer. Mist them well, and then cover them over to completely block out any light. This blackout period is very important as it causes the pea sprouts to stretch out trying to find light. Uncover the peas a couple of times a day to mist them thoroughly. Once the peas begin to sprout, it is important to add weight on top of the peas to hold them in place and encourage stronger roots. It may be necessary to use a larger cover over the weighted peas to ensure complete blackout. Continue to mist the peas at least twice daily, and then replace the weight and the blackout cover. After 3 or 4 days, the pea shoots should have some good long sprouts on the top and a good mat of roots started on the bottom. Now it is time to start watering from the bottom. It's also time for some light. Grow lights are not necessary. A south-facing window is just fine. You will be amazed to see how fast the sprouts will green up and turn into shoots as they reach for the light. Turn the tray each day so the peas don't start leaning toward the window. Make sure the roots always have water, but don't let the seeds themselves sit in water or they may start to rot. Pea shoots can be harvested in as little as 2 weeks from planting time. Since there is no soil to worry about, You can cut the plants off right down close to the seeds using scissors or a sharp knife. Ideally, you should harvest the shoots just before use. Wash the shoots thoroughly and shake or spin the water out of them. Fresh shoots are delicious in a stir fry. Or in a salad. Opinion is varied on the proper storage of pea shoots. Many recommend refrigerating them dry in the crisper drawer and washing them just before use. Some suggest storing microgreens in an airtight container between damp paper towel. Since we had already harvested and washed our entire crop, we opted for this advice, and they stored fine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.